Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by taking inventory and freeing immediate space. First, list your largest 10 games and where each save lives. Once done, backup saves to cloud or external drive and verify the files. Make sure to create one restore point. Next, decide on the target storage, a 2. 5 SSD for laptops or M. 2 NVMe for speed. Check your motherboard slot and power requirements. If you have limited budget, prioritize capacity over peak speed. You proceed to the core actions. Clone or move large game libraries smartly. Use cloning tools for full OS transfers and copy individual game folders if you prefer a clean install. Choose sector-by-sector cloning only when you need exact duplicates. Then physically install the drive, use a bracket or adapter for small form factors, and tighten the M2 screw to spec. Once mounted, format with GPT for drives over 2 TB, and align partitions to 1 MB to avoid performance penalties on S. You wrap up by pointing folders and launchers to the upgraded space. After moving or cloning, update launcher paths and verify each game's integrity or run built-in verifiers. This prevents redownloading. Then enable trim on SSDs, move or resize page file if needed, and run a short benchmark to confirm throughput. If something fails, if the drive is not detected, reseat cables, try a different slot, update BIOS, and test the drive on another machine. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.